No, that's super.
Kind of like challenges, and after rugby and all the all the bangs I took from rugby and going to the gym and lifting weights and running on the machines, kind of wasn't doing anything for my like my body after rugby, so I kind of got into cycling because it's a lot more mellower. I don't take the impact that all them exercises gave me. So it's great to be able to do it now, but also it's great to support such a difficult event. It's nice to train for something. So to come up here and get a beautiful part of the world and be out in the sun and promote cycling to a lot of people as well is a great thing to do. And I've learned a lot the last couple of weeks actually. It's kind of very different because rugby is kind of high impact for a short space of time, then you rest. This is kind of very constant. So this is kind of all about similar themes, but I suppose a lot more prevalent. This is all about like the preparation of fuel in your body. Because potentially when I'm out on the ride when it actually comes around in September, it's like potentially like an 8-mile ride. So I learned your body runs out of carbs say at 3 hours. Now there's no way you play rugby for 3 hours, so you don't get to that stage in rugby. So what I've learned about the body and like how physically you should prepare for longer events has been very interesting. It's the same motivation, it's the same drive that you have to have with any sport, but it's just that this is for a much longer length of time. So it's a great promotion of physical exercise, and it's a great promotion of certain parts of Wales. Like I am going to harp on about how much of a fan I am of North Wales because of when I played up here, and I think it's really important that people come to all corners of North Wales, whether it be from South Wales, wherever you come, because you promote things in certain events, but also in a way you promote in an area that doesn't always get the promotion that certain areas get.